Hi, welcome to XP-Pen 6 Weeks Animator Incubation.
In this lesson, you are going to learn how to make this. In first instance, you are going to have this animation in which you are watching the stage, but this is a bad stage. Why? Because we haven't made any change for making this more interesting. The camera remains in the same place. If you see, the characters are just in the horizontal line, and you see two characters facing each other about to fight. She is like challenge him, very trustworthy. She believes in herself. She is like angry, but determined, and he's scary. But it's always the same camera angle. There is no change in here, no interesting stuff. And now I'm gonna show you what you will be able to do just from this animation. This one. Do you notice the difference now? Is exactly the same situation, but in a different perspective with different camera views and camera angles. We have here hand about to take the sword. He's scary, she is angry, and he comes back in a close-up of the scary. So my dear, this is going to be your turn. You are going to be challenged now to do your own version of this scene. Do your own staging and draw a couple of panels doing your own original version of this same story. And remember, here are the main points. We need two characters about to fight. One is determined and the other is scared. That's the only thing that you must keep, but everything else you can invent. You can create this in stick figures or in more advanced drawing solid drawing, You can create by using the solid drawing and apply some techniques we have told you before. And Mark already told you the fundamentals and the foundation of this principle. And now it's time for you to apply, my dear. See you now in the lesson. In this animation, then, you are going to learn how to apply the staging into your animations. Mark already have told you the importance about this, and for real, every time that you are watching a film, a K-drama, an anime, a TV show, or everything and even surround you, think about what angle will you use, why directors are using that kind of filming, everything, the composition of your animation. And for that, we are going to put that into practice, and you are going to have the free will to change anything you want. If you think, I want to give more intensity to that meeting between the characters, so I want to make a best close-up, and I want to make, I'm looking this like if there was a screen. So you are going to practice that with me, and you have the free will to explore and experiment as much as you want. And please, I would love to see your animations and to see how you are applying all those principles into each one of the exercise. So my dear, see you in this exercise. Welcome, my dear, to this exercise. This is going to be the Clip Studio Paint file that is going to be provided to you in order for you to create your beautiful, wonderful staging. Now, let's see what you are going to have. In first instance, you are going to have the paper, this animation, and a bad animation. Let me show you then. First, we are going to have this bad version. In this bad version, we are going to see two characters facing each other. Both of them are going to be quite confident and angry. Then we are going to make a close-up, and she's gonna be quite confident, angry, and smiling because she knows she's gonna win this battle. Instead of him, just by watching her, he's scary. This is going to be the context, right? Now, if you see, all of them are in the same camera view, in the same camera angle. There is no change. There is no interesting shoot. So now look at this. Now we have a different perspective and camera angle. Now we are focusing on her hand, taking almost the katana or her sword, and he's being scary behind. Now we make a close-up and he's being scary. And do you see, now we have more details. She turns and is completely angry, and he is completely scary. So this is going to be the transformation. Now I'm going to show you another example. Let's start by creating a new animation folder, new animation cell, and we are going to have two characters. And those characters are going to be facing each other. Why? This is going to be your task. Remember, my dear, you are going to have, let's draw a character. Maybe you might know this character. Well, this character is Bulpina, or dear Bulpi. So she's gonna be here, and in the other side we are going to have our dear Phoenix. Yes, XP Pen Phoenix. So we are gonna have here, but they are going to be facing each other. This battle is going to be a love battle. It's like an anime is named Love is War, Kaguya-sama, I think it's. So here we have our dear Bulpi, but this battle, as I told you. And here we have our XP pen. So we have the first staging. Then we have another one. They are going to be facing each other. Remember, one of them is going to be very confident. So this confident will be our dear Bulpi. So Bulpi is going to be very, very confident about herself. She knows she's gonna win this battle. So she's gonna be here. Since she knows she's gonna win this battle, she's gonna be smiling. Let's make her face a little bit. It's gonna be a chibi Bulpi. But he's not gonna be that confident. So actually, he's gonna be quite scary, and at the same time he's gonna be quite shy, because this battle is going to be lost. Then we are gonna have another one. The battle is going to be her jumping, and he's gonna be trying to protect himself. So for making this, let's make a perspective just by making this bigger. So if she's gonna be in the air, he's gonna be a little bit smaller here. And now let's add some details in this part, just by making her jumping here. She's gonna have the XP pen and her tail, and he is gonna be protecting himself with his eyes closed. But at the end, the only thing she wanted, she's gonna be rolling here, was going to have the new Super XP Pen 24-inch Pro, and she's gonna be smiling. And here is going to be him. Like, what? This was everything? And at the end, the war and the battle was not a battle actually. It was Bulpina trying to show her love not to him, but to this tablet. And he is gonna be like, what? And at the end, he's also in love with this tablet. So in here we have the tablet. Once more, he is quite shy. She knows that she's gonna win this one. He's quite shy because maybe he's thinking, will she confess to me by giving me a romantic letter? And then she jumps, and he tries to hide himself, but she brings an XP Pen tablet, and she just wanted to show him this XP Pen tablet, the new 24-inch Pro. And he's like, what? Actually, let me put the what. Let's draw this. What? And then he's again in love, because he saw the tablet. And finally, let's make the last one. Both of them are enjoying the super giant XP pen with, wow, 20 buttons and the super pencil. And he's gonna be drawing her. And she's gonna be here. And ta-da! This is the story. Once more, facing each other, she's gonna be very confident, he's gonna be quite shy, thinking she's gonna confess. She jumps, he tried to hide, but she take off an XP pen. She fell in love, showing him that she was in love not with him, but with this tablet XP Pen 24-inch Pro. He's like, what? And he's, it's that. He realized. And then they end up drawing each other. He's drawing her, and she's in love. This is the love story with the XP Pen tablet 24-inch Pro. Ta-da! This is going to be your mission. I'm going to save this now. And now it's your turn. Remember, you can save this as GIF or as a movie. So my dear, I let you with this love story. I hope you are in love and you have your special one. And if you're an artist, you will know one of those special one will be your tablet. So see you then in the next lesson.